How to turn off notifications in Slack. If you have been using the Slack application and wondering on how to turn off the notifications that you get, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Slack application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Just right here, select it. Then you will see something like this. Now tap on to pause notifications right here. Tap on it. Now to turn off notifications, you need to pause notifications by the given options right here, which are the time right here. Now simply choose one. You can also customize the notifications by tapping on to custom. Now choose one, just like this. And now you can see the notifications are paused. And that's it. This is how you can turn off notifications in Slack. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.